Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. Today I'm going to barbecue on this fantastic Sunday afternoon. I love days like this. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I get my fire going. Stay tuned. It's going to take a while for these briquettes to turn gray. So I'm going to center everything like this. I've added some balls of newspaper. I'm going to add this Japanese accelerant. Time to start some fire. I'll be cooking some pork and some lemon chicken. Yum yum. Okay, just let that sit there for a while. You want to leave this cover open. If you do that, you cut off the oxygen. So leave this open and then the fire will burn. Okay, I'll be back. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to check. It's not hot. Okay, is it catching? Yes, it's catching, but I might have to put some more accelerant. Okay guys, oh, I should be wearing gloves. But anyway, I got it going and it took more than 45 minutes to get the briquettes to turn gray. So that's the kind of color you want. Okay, so now to put this back on, I'm gonna let this heat up for a while, and that's the way to get your grill started. Well, I got the fire going pretty well. As you can see, the briquettes are nice and gray. I've got some food on. I got baked potatoes, chicken, and some pork. And I've got my trusty little thermometer. I need to check the chicken, check to see if the chicken's properly cooked at 73 degrees Celsius. So this is the way to do it. We'll grab this little bad boy. You're a bad boy chicken. Stick this in here. 70, 22, 73. It's cooked. It's done. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I'm going to eat. Thanks for watching. Bye.